You need the spring onion fine.
Yeah, not really fine. This is celery.
So you're mincing also your celery.
Yeah. For the molo. Oh, this is for the broth. This is for the molo.
Oh. You need also more carrots?
For the broth.
For the broth. Okay. You will mix it with the molo?
Yeah, together with those.
Together with those? Okay.
And chicken. And shrimps.
Adding shrimps too. Siguro kung tinadtad ko yung buyas pala, pinaluha na ako.
Malamang dyan. Gagawin ko yan na shrimps.
Shrimps. Three cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
Sinama mo na dun sa shrimps.
Yeah. Pwede na to.
Okay yan. You wash your chicken. Yeah.
Can I have
Wipe it dry.
Okay. I'm making ground chicken.
Giniling na chicken, okay? You're chopping it.
Yes.
Para na nga siyang giniling, ano? Tama mo na yung shrimp sa chicken. Yan yung gagawing, molo. Pwede rin siguro lumpia yan, ano?
Pwede. Hindi na kaya gawin natin, Shanghai.
Pwede rin Shanghai. Shanghai chicken, yeah. You can also make Shanghai chicken out of that. Okay. Onions, yeah.
Just one big onion. Carrots.
So you're mixing all of them. Yeah. Parang yung palaman ng lumpia, ano?
Yeah. Celery.
Yan yung kanina inano mo. Minins.
Spring onion.
Spring onion. Yeah. Garlic salt. Okay.
Pepper.
Brown pepper.
I need eggs.
and cornstarch. 1 tablespoon.
More than.
More than 1.5 tablespoon, I would say. And 2 eggs. Alright, 2 eggs. Is
Oyster sauce. Then mix it together.
1 tablespoon.
Okay, you get little sugar.
You need little sugar.
Yeah, just tip of the...
Teaspoon of sugar.
Yeah.
Parang pinaka-bechin mo na yun. You need to mix it well.
I need this.
And what is that?
This is sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Like a teaspoon?
No.
Half teaspoon.
No, maybe tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So what is this?
It's slurry. Cornstarch and water.
This cornstarch and water. Gagamitin mo yung pag ano. Panglock ng wrapper. Okay. Yun pala ang gamit ng water and cornstarch.
Sometimes when you fold like this.
Alright.
Like that.
Oh. Bakit iba ito?
Parang crown.
Oh, you fold it differently. Okay. I want to see how you did that.
Okay. Put some. Fold.
Ayan. Okay.
Press the sides. Then put slurry.
Pinold mo yung dalawang side.
Yeah, now you have like a ribbon.
Like a?
Ribbon.
Ribbon. Let me see one. Bilis ka rin maggawa. Parang madami na yan para sa soup natin.
Yeah.
And the rest, gagawing siomai.
Yeah.
Ito para sa wonton soup ba? Wonton soup. Molo soup.
Maybe you can add more flour para medyo matigas. Pero wait, susubukan ko lang kung pwede.
You will try one.
Kasi parang ano siya eh.
Parang mushi-mushi.
Mushi.
Yeah. So you will try to make one siomai if just to know if you need to add more. Malambot siya. So you need to add more flour.
Yeah.
Kasi ano siya malambot. Mushi-mushi. Okay. So
how many?
So you will add flour.
It doesn't matter if it's all-purpose or bread flour.
Any kind of flour.
Like,
as long as when they add it, they will get the correct consistency. That's how they call it. Hindi
mushi.
Hindi mushi-mushi, hindi malabnaw. Okay. So you added flour, any kind of flour, you said?
Kasi malambot yung chicken.
Kasi malambot yung chicken, oo. Tsaka pang ano siya, pang molo soup, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi siya pang siomai. Hindi. Nga no. Medyo na siya.
Nag-firm na.
Yeah. Firm na siya. Basta, ano lang, kailangan lang niya, mekos-mekos.
Why do you always say that? Mekos.
Alright. There. akin, pareho yun. Ito pala ay molo soup. Pang molo soup, ganyan ang konti. Pag ganon, siomai.
Let me put some.
Pero halos pareho naman ang lasa.
Siyempre pareho. Diyan din galing yan.
It will burst.
No. Talagang ganang siomay.
Nang nilagay mo malulugi ang restaurant natin yan. Oh my God.
Akin nga yan.
Sobrang dami nang nilagay mo.
Don't
Oh.
touch. Okay. Let's start.
You press it like that. And then ganon. Parang star, whatever.
Yeah. Tapos lagyan mo on top. Ganun
You're
talaga.
adding too much.
Ganun talaga ang siomay.
Hindi pwedeng business woman ito. Tapos pwedeng ano muna, ilagay muna sa sa ref for future.
Pwede din.
Diba?
Para bukas. Kala ko midnight snack natin.
Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Tapos pinold mo. That's it.
Whiskey pa, Paps.
Galing So out of this mixture, you can make siomai and wonton soup. Pero itong siomai, the same way as this, pwede mo rin ilagay ito sa soup.
Pwede rin Shanghai.
Pwede, you can make also Shanghai out of that mixture.
Yeah.
So ang Shanghai, the same mixture?
But sometimes I put singkamas, hikama.
Lalagyan, you add singkamas kapag Shanghai. Ang siomai talaga walang singkamas.
Hindi ko nilalagyan.
Madami rin nagawa. Inabot na tayo ng gabi.
Ito yung pinakapansit.
Parang noodles mo. Yung wrapper niya. Will become your noodles. So, ilagay mo rin yan dun sa soup, sa molo soup.
Correct. Bago mo hanguin.
Yan yung pinaka-noodles. Bakit tayo medyo malalapad yata?
No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Siya yung magiging noodles mo. Yan yung magiging noodles. You still need more garlic para dun sa soup?
Panggisa.
Panggisa. Pang-saute. Garlic and onion.
Yes.
2 cloves of garlic and 1 onion. You need only half of that onion. Masyado malaki. Small onion. 1 small onion will do. There. You added the 2 cloves of garlic and half onion, or 1 medium onion will do.
Okay.
About 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And your garlic. Onion. Celery. Carrots. oyster sauce. So, about 6 cups dun sa dami nung ano mo, nung molo mo, ano?
Yeah. Then, pepper.
Adding garlic powder. Yeah. Oh, kasi wala kang broth.
Yeah, and onion mince.
Kasi wala kang broth. Kailangan mo ng ano. Gano'ng kadami? Tansyahan lang.
Yeah, tansyahan lang. Then maybe later you can taste the saltiness. Boil it maybe for 10 to 15
minutes. Is that for?
For siomai.
Yung kaninang ilalagay mo dyan, i-steam mo.
Oo. Pero
for siomai.
Gagawa ko siya ng liner.
Pinod mo siya ng pinod so you can make a hole.
Measuring the circle.
So yan yung diameter niya.
Yeah. Then, let's put a hole.
Mga butas-butas yun. Na-measure mo kanina. The siomai goes there.
Pwede na ilagay kahit di pa kumukulo kasi may liner.
Kasi may liner, maski hindi pa kumukulo.
Hindi siya didikit yan. Kahit hindi mo siya
Hindi ba masyadong malaki yung mga butas na yan? That's okay.
Hindi, okay. Hindi na siya kailangan lagyan ng oil.
Ng oil?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi didikit?
Oh, yeah.
Kasi may liner.
Kung walang liner, lalagyan mo ng oil.
Kung walang liner, lalagyan mo ng oil yung ano?
I-brush mo ng oil yung pan.
Yung pan niya.
Yung
para
steamer.
Yung steamer para hindi dumikit.
Una pala yung nagawa ko.
Tama na sa atin yan for dinner. Kasi meron pang molo soup eh. Waiting time.
Mail natin.
Naku, lamig. Okay. Yeah.
Dami?
Gano'ng kadami yan?
So,
about less than 1 teaspoon?
yes.
Yeah, you need to sort it out. Otherwise, magdidikit-dikit ano?
Yeah, tama.
Maluluto na rin yata yung siomai Yan yung pinaka-noodles niya. Yan yung wrapper, ano?
Yeah.
Hiniwa-hiwa mo yung wrapper, siya yung noodles.
May nabibili namang ganun eh. Noodles.
May nabibili rin.
Na noodles na...
Pero without it, kung may sobra kang wrapper, you can use it. Yun yung pinaka-noodles mo. Excellent idea.
Hindi mo na haluin pag pumulo.
Siomai na. Kalamansi at toyo na lang ang kulang na ito. Siguro you can also cover it, pero when it starts to boil, tatanggalin mo yung takip kasi ano, sasabog, ano?
Pero hindi siya sa buo.
Basta malakas yung apoy, no? Maluluto siya.
Diyan ang palita.
You add more pepper to taste. Yeah. Our molo is ready. Tama-tama yan sa panahon na to. Molo is ready.
Kung nagwawan pa, toyo man siya.
Toyo and lemon.
Lemon. Sito, hindi dumikit.
Oo nga, no? Hindi siya dumikit, ano? Kasi meron liner.
Yeah. Basta butasan mo na yung liner.
Ayos. Meron lemon with soy sauce.